Hello everyone, today I will show you how to fix Asana email verification not working. Many users face this problem where the verification email doesn't arrive or the link fails to open, and it can block access to your account. First, check your inbox carefully. Sometimes the email goes to spam, promotions, or updates folders. Search for Asana to be sure. Step 1, wait a few minutes before resending. Sending multiple requests quickly can block new emails. Wait 5 to 10 minutes, then click Resend Verification Email. Step 2, confirm your email is correct. Even a small typo can stop delivery. Check account settings and update the email if needed. Step 3, whitelist Asana emails. Add no dash reply at asana.com to your safe sender list. This prevents your provider from blocking emails. Step 4, try a different browser or incognito mode. Browser cache or extensions can break verification links. Copy and paste the link in another browser if needed. Step 5, clear cache and cookies. Old session data can cause issues. Clear them, log in again, and resend the email. Step 6, check company email restrictions. Some work emails block external links. Using a personal email may help. Finally, contact Asana support if needed. They can manually verify your account. Provide your registered email and issue details. So yeah, fixing email verification is about checking spam, waiting, correcting email, whitelisting, browser testing, clearing cache, and contacting support. Follow these steps and you'll get verified quickly. Thanks for watching. Do like this video, subscribe, and comment below if this helped. See you in the next one.